So hello everyone. So today we're gonna continue our vowels and also revise the vowels which we have learned in the previous lesson. So let's start one by one. So tell me the first one. So it's the second one, ah. Third one, e. Fourth one, e. The fifth one, o. The sixth one, o. This much we have already learned in the previous lesson. So let's say like we learned e, u, u. Perfect. So today let's start with the new vowels. Okay. So the new vowel is make a line, make two vertical small lines and a slanting cross line. Once again, let's make it together. Make two vertical line and a slanting line. Make a horizontal line, two vertical line and a slanting line. Two vertical line and a slanting line. So I hope you have copied down in the copy. Let's know what's the pronunciation of this vowel. So this vowel is A. This is A. So for example, it's an English letter A. You can say it's English letter, but it's more sounds like A, like that. So for example, in English, it's eight, A, eight, A. So this letter pronunciation is A, A, A. Let's go to the next one. So this is same like the previous one. Make a two vertical line, a slanting line, and a slanting line attached to that second vertical line on the top. So make a horizontal line, make two vertical lines, make a slanting line, and make a slanting line on the top, attaching to the second vertical line. Let's make one more time together. Make two vertical line, slanting line on the bottom, slanting line on the top. Perfect. And make in bold. Two vertical line. This no look good. Okay. Two vertical line, slanting line at the top and bottom. I hope you have copied down in the books. So let's learn what's the pronunciation of this vowel. So this vowel is more like I, I. If I take an English example, for example, it's I'll, I'll, I, I, I. So the pronunciation of this vowel is I. Perfect. So let's go next. So next is same like first and second vowel. You make a, but you make a slanting line on the top. You make a, and you make a slanting line attaching to the second vertical line. A slanting line attaching to the second vertical line. Attaching to second vertical line. I hope you have copied down in the books. So let's learn the pronunciation. The pronunciation is O. You can say this is an actual English letter O, similar to O. ठीक है? So for example, English example, orange, O, O, orange, orange, O, O. The letter pronunciation of this vowel is O, O, orange. Let's go to the next one. Same like the previous one, but this time two slanting lines on the top. So let's try once again together. Make O, but two slanting lines. Make O, one more time. Perfect. So this is called, I hope you have written down in the book. So the pronunciation of this letter is called ow, ow, ow. If I give a Hindi example, then it's owl, owl, or more like cow, cow, owl, owl. Like it's more like if someone like beats you or someone like do this and how you like ouch like that. It's more like ow. Yeah. Okay. So the pronunciation of this vowel is ow. You can write it either way as AU also. Ow. Next one. Okay, next one. So this is same like the first vowel, but a dot on top. Make a and a dot on top. Make a and a dot on top. make a and a dot on top. Okay, so this is called un. It's nasal un, 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 un. So if I say like oh, right, you already learned in the previous lesson, the first vowel is oh, like alarm, plus n is no, like the dot is no. So that's how you say un. It's not an, un. So a in that word is alarm, So un. And no is nasal. No, un. Okay? So next vowel is also similar to a, but two dots on the side. Make a and two dots on the side. Make a and two dots on the side. Make a and two dots on the side. Okay. And this is called anuswar. This is very much used in Hindi. And oh, this one is not used a lot in Hindi. It's used in Sanskrit. But why are we learning? We have quite few words in Hindi, so that's why we are learning this. Okay. So you already know this is a plus the two dot is called visarga. 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 So this is called ha. 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 The h is voiceless. Ha. 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 Like somebody is telling you the story and you will like uh-huh, like that. So the pronunciation is like like that. It's like uh-huh, okay, uh-huh. It's not much used in Hindi, but we'll still learn it. Okay, next one. This is our last vowel. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's go 13. Um, this one is little artistic. So let's go. So you make a line, you make a vertical line, you make a V like this, and you make a R like this. Pretty artistic. So once again together, you make a horizontal line, you make a vertical line, you make a V, and you make a one more time. You make a line, you make a V. So this is called re. It's kind of rolling. Re, 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 re. And also this is also called ru, 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 ru. It's also rolling. Re and ru, re, ru, re, ru, re, ru. The tongue is little rolling, like trembling more of. So if I give the example in Hindi, in English, so it's like rib, 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 or ruler, 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 rib, rib. So the pronunciation of this letter is ri or ru, ri or ru, ri or ru. Perfect. So these are 13 vowels. Please practice and we'll hope to see you soon. Ta-ta.